Hi, I'm Zheng. I'm 38 years old, living with my children in a small county in China. Today is a very special day for our family because it's Grandpa's birthday. We've invited my husband's parents over to celebrate. At the same time, I will track all the expenses for this dinner. You'll see how much it costs to host a simple birthday celebration at home. Our celebration is quite modest, and even the cake is just a tiny one. Before heading to the market, I need to start stewing the goose. Goose meat is tough and requires a longer cooking time. While I was wiping the table, my son kept reminding me not to get burned. He is such a warm-hearted boy, always knowing how to care for others. Now, I'm heading out to the market to pick up more food. It's drizzling today, the first rain since the Lunar New Year. For a family birthday dinner like this, we usually prepare 6 to 8 dishes. In China, we prefer even numbers over odd numbers, as they symbolize good luck. So tonight, I'll be making 6 dishes. It's not an easy task, as I also need to consider Grandpa's specific tastes. Noodles are also a must. In northern China, eating noodles on a birthday is a tradition. People call them longevity noodles. I'm thinking about what Grandpa likes. I bought a pig's ear to make some cold appetizers. Someone is selling oyster meat by the roadside. Using it in the noodles makes the broth incredibly fresh. Now, I'm going to buy a small cake. Although it's tiny, the blessings it carries are no less than those of a large one. In our life, a sense of ritual is not about luxury. It's about telling our loved ones that they are important to us.
Happy birthday!
The goose is almost done. Many people might wonder why we eat animal feet. Don't worry, they have been cleaned very thoroughly. It's already getting dark in our small town. These are the kids' favorite handmade sausages. This dish was brought over by the children's grandmother. We call it pig tripe, which is actually the pig's stomach. I'll use it to make a soup. It's Grandpa's favorite.
好了，转运营了。也有个嘴儿，这太不容易了。
对呀，吹裂了那个嘴，他们都舌死了。
哦，
驴，
那驴啊，干丝。
那个嘴骨儿那个多白干那个，为啥？
干的喽，要能吃的就吃，咸的不能就搁一半。
一半儿。
炒呢。
喂，买什么的？拿什么？
这个，这个，
啥菜？
下个这个，对，
鸡
错了，
哎，这么厉害啊！
厉害哈！
就
哎，错了，
说错了，我要说错。
你们光是我的外婆嘛。
好渴。哦，烫死吧！
你不烧热了，这样讲。
看，
有啥好看的？
我要手机。
不该。
我要动了果冻。
This might look a bit cruel, a pig's ear. It's already cooked. I just need to slice it and serve it with a dipping sauce. Grandpa is here. He is 67 years old. In his youth, he was a stonemason and once drove a horse carriage. Eventually, he became a merchant selling ironware. With those hands that once shaped stones and held the reins of a carriage, he supported our entire family. In our eyes, he is the most successful person not because of wealth, but because of his sense of responsibility.
我这么犹豫啊？年年有余啊，这一才刚。看看。
Here are the Longevity Noodles. The children raise their glasses to toast Grandpa, wishing him health and eternal happiness.
祝为福如东海，寿比南山。小口常开，身体健康，万事如意。
小口常开，万事如意，年年有余。
红光满面就是。
好细毛了，这不来宝贝儿了啊！
我都不老。
那个光对的宝贝儿，我还年年的了。哦，小口常
Our
开。
super tiny cake makes its appearance. The kids light the candles and sing the birthday song.
祝你生日快乐！
祝你生日快乐！祝你生日快乐！
祝你生日
快乐！让你爷吃蜡烛。
Grandpa's wish is for the children to grow up healthy and happy, and perhaps get into a good university.
这放学放好，不然就放个没打，放个雪花。
好了，快，别也一块儿吹，1、2、3。太棒了！
我爸爸没吹，因为有烟味儿。
有烟味儿。
This is just an ordinary day for our family. Family will always be the most important thing to us. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.